How's it going, everyone? Falcon here, and today I want to take a look at BitShares. So BitShares is a coin that I think has a lot of potential coming up here soon. We had a very big move upwards, and since then it's come down quite a bit and done a very large retracement, even past the 236 of this entire move. However, I think it might be getting close to bottoming out. Poloniex coins in general have been showing a little bit of life lately, and this is one that I like to kind of continue the trend here. So to start off on the daily, as you can tell, we've already retraced quite a bit. And one thing that I noticed here, that's a couple of things actually that have made me think that this is kind of bottoming out. One is just this formation of the daily candles. During this entire move downwards, there wasn't really a period of like a week where we had this kind of rounded bottom shape. It kind of happened right here, but even then the price was like pretty volatile. Here it seems like everything's kind of slowing down and the market's become a little indecisive, which can oftentimes signal that a bottom is in or a top is in if it's up at the top. And I think that's a pretty good sign. And another thing I noticed is if we take this Fibonacci top here and move it down to the tops of some of these other moves, like down to here, you can see that this bottom pretty much caught the 50% retracement of this move. And if we take it down right here, pretty much caught the 786 of this other move. So even though we're not on a support Fibonacci-wise, because we've basically crashed through all of them, if we take a look at some of the other moves, then we actually are kind of routing some supports. So that's one good thing I see going forward. The other thing is the 3-day. Stochastic is just now turning up. Pretty much bottomed out right here, got down to about 0, and is turning up, which is a very good sign. Now it's happened before and come back down, but I think this time, based partially on the other factors that I just described on the daily chart, this might be a real breakout compared to the other ones. And then also, we can take a look at the 4-hour, running into some resistance here on the cloud. However, on the 1-hour, we can kind of see a little bit of a cup and handle shape forming here. If we look at these points, we topped out right here, have our handle, and hopefully, or our cup, and what I'm hoping is the handle that will help break past this resistance. The other thing I see that looks fairly bullish here is that we're coming up on this cloud right here, and the stochastic is still not on the ceiling. So if this chops around for a couple of candles before reaching this cloud point and kind of resets itself, then I could see this riding the cloud upwards and continuing this handle formation that is kind of starting to paint. So yeah, I mean, pretty much all time frames I'm seeing bullish signals on BTS. Honestly, if I was going to enter, and I did enter pretty much right around here, but again, do your own research, look at the chart, see if you agree with my analysis, and yeah, I'll be keeping an eye on BTS in the days to come. And that will do it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and if you want a coin, or if there's a coin that you want me to review, just simply leave a comment and I'll take a look at it. Have a nice day.